In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, in Google Sheets. Whether you're an investor looking to utilize the RSI as a technical analysis tool, or just someone interested in learning more about spreadsheets, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open a new Google Sheet. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're in, we'll begin by clicking on cell A2. This is going to be our starting point for importing stock data. The formula we're about to use will help us pull in historical stock prices, which is essential for calculating the RSI. In cell A2, type in the following formula: query sort Google Finance, SBN, all, today, 500, today. 1,000, select COL1, QL5 limit 99. While this may seem a tad complex, let me break it down. Here, we're using Google Finance to fetch the stock data for a specific ticker, SBIN, in this case, spanning over the last 500 days. We're sorting this data and selecting only the columns we're interested in with query. After typing in the formula, hit the Enter key. The spreadsheet will then populate with the stock data you requested. Next, we move over to cell I3. Here is where we will begin to calculate the RSI. In cell I3, enter this formula: Alt 100, 100, H3 plus 1, To give you some context, the RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. This formula is a part of that calculation, designed to be applied to stock data to give you insights into the price trends. After typing the formula, press Enter. At this stage, you should see a numeric output in cell I3. This is part of the relative strength index you're calculating. Now, to make this process more efficient and less tedious, let's utilize Google Sheets' autofill feature. Autofill allows you to apply the same formula to the subsequent rows, saving you the effort of retyping it for each row. Simply click back on cell I3. You'll notice a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is the fill handle. Click and drag this handle down through the rows you want to apply the formula to. Once you release, Google Sheets will fill the selected cells with the corresponding calculation, expanding your RSI data. There you have it. You've successfully calculated the RSI using Google Sheets. By following these simple steps, you've added a powerful tool to your financial analysis arsenal. Remember, the beauty of Google Sheets is in its versatility, so feel free to experiment and explore other functions that may further enhance your understanding and application of RSI. Happy analyzing!